5 ways to tell if a diamond is real. Diamond is a solid form of carbon with atoms organized in a diamond cubic crystal structure. It possesses the highest hardness and thermal conductivity of any natural material, and these features are exploited in significant industrial applications such as cutting and polishing equipment. Diamond's atomic arrangement is so strict that only a few forms of impurity may taint it. Diamonds have been used for various purposes due to their extraordinary physical properties. It possesses the greatest thermal conductivity and sound velocity and an extraordinarily low coefficient of thermal expansion. Diamond quickly transforms to graphite at temperatures exceeding 4,500 Kelvin. The ice giants Neptune and Uranus have the severe conditions necessary for this to happen. Therefore, diamond cubic is the most frequent crystal structures of diamond. It comprises stacked unit cells. A diamond cubic lattice shall consist of 2 interpenetrating face-centered cubic lattices, one of which is displaced by 14 of the diagonal of a cubic cell or one lattice with 2 atoms connected with each lattice point. The answer, why do people seek diamond, is neither clear nor decisive. Giving a diamond is seen as the following traditions by many individuals, and hence it is anticipated. Following trends is especially important in a heavily involved society in media, movies, televisions, music, and social media. The appearance of Hollywood stars affects many fashion choices among their fast following, fueling the desire of people who adore them. They have been dubbed God's tier or star fragments, emphasizing their legendary significance. People who wear them are perceived to be wealthy or successful, and the hip-hop industry embraced them to establish their admissions to the big leagues. In this video, we'll be telling you the 5 different methods you can use to find out if a diamond is real or fake. Before we move on to the video, let me know what it is about diamonds that attracts you to them so much. Let me know in the comment sections below. Now, let us move on to the video. Number 5. Water test for diamonds. Take a normal drinking glass. Fill the glass up till 3/4 of it is full. Next, drop a loose stone into the water-filled glass. There are 2 possibilities here. If the stone sinks, it is a real diamond. If it does not sink, you have the fake diamond. The density of diamond is higher than that of water, so it must sink. The density of gemstones, also known as specific gravity, is a bulk property independent of directions and is often consistent throughout a mass of material. Under ideal conditions, 2 diamonds of the same species and kind have the same density. However, due to impurities, fissures, and bubbles, mineral density varies greatly in the real world, even within a single crystal. The inclusions of impurities inside crystals complicates all gemstone density assessments. The specific gravity of these impurities is rarely the same as that of the host material. Surface tensions may cause a mineral grain to float in heavy liquids and a torsion balance. As a result, specific gravity readings are erroneously low. Number 4. Fog test for diamonds. To perform the fog test, place the diamond or ring over the forefinger and thumb and puff a blow of air on it. A little fog will develop on the diamond due to the humidity in your breath. If the fog rapidly clears, the diamond is real. If the mist takes a long time to clear, this is most likely a fake diamond. Diamonds conduct heat efficiently and hence disperse heat quickly. Fog is a visible aerosol of microscopic water droplets or ice crystals floating in the air near on Earth's surface. Fog forms when water vapor condenses. Sea fog forms when water vapor condenses on salt particles near saline water bodies. Mist and fog are similar, but fog is less translucent. Fog can form in various ways depending on how cool the condensation is. Moderate turbulence often transforms a fog bank, which lifts and breaks it into shallow convective clouds known as stratocumulus. If the monsoonal flow is sufficiently turbulent, it may instead break up the maritime layer and whatever fog it contains. When raindrops evaporate into colder air near the Earth's surface, frontal condensations occurs as a stratus cloud does at the front. Number 3. UV test for diamonds. To determine whether a diamond is real, place this under a UV light and watch the reaction. The majority of diamonds emit visible lights, although not all of them. If exposed to ultraviolet radiations, certain diamonds lose their luster. Consequently, even if the diamond does not light up, the results do not necessarily indicate that it is indeed a fake diamond. Because this test is inconclusive, it is preferable to have a gem specialist or jeweler assess the stone using their sophisticated equipment. Ultraviolet light is a form of electromagnetic radiations that causes black light posters to shine and causes summer tans and sunburns. Excessive exposures to UV light is harmful to living tissue. According to the US Navy's Ultraviolet Radiation Guide, UV is classified into 3 subbands: near UV, middle UV, and far UV. Shortwave UV radiations damages DNA while sterilizing surfaces with which it comes into contact. Suntan and sunburn are common side effects of skin exposures to UV radiations in humans. Because of the amount of UV radiations emitted by the sun, the Earth would be unable to maintain life if the atmosphere did not filter away the majority of that light. Number 2. The dot test for diamonds. The dot test is a great substitute if you don't have any newspaper. If you don't have any newspaper, draw a little dot with a pen on a white sheet of paper on a level surface. Place the stone on the drop, flat side down. Look down on the paper through the pointed end of the diamond. If you detect a circular reflections within the gemstone, it is a fake. Suppose you can't see the dot or considerations in the stone, light will bounce in many directions instead of a straight path because a genuine diamond has significant refractive properties. This is why you can't see letters or dots through a natural real diamond. The change in the directions of a waterfront at an interface between 2 different media causes the wavefront to return to the medium from which it came and is referred to as reflection. Reflections of light, sound, and water waves are common examples. According to the law of reflections, the angle at which the wave is indecent on the surface equals at the angle it is reflected. It can be remembered when lights travel from one material with a specific refractive index. In the most general instance, some light is reflected off the interface while the rest is refracted. Refractions in physics is the change in the directions of a wave moving from one medium to another or the result of a gradual change in the medium. Although light refractions is the most often observed phenomenon, other waves also suffer refractions such as sound and water waves. Number 1. The sparkle test for diamonds. The sparkle test involves no equipment other than your eyes. Place the diamond under a normal light bulb. Take notice of the way light reflects off the stone. Do you see any rays of white scattered light from the diamond? Are there any colored light glimpses? A true diamond scatters white light extremely well, resulting in incredible sparkle. Diamonds also have a fantastic ability to reflect colored light or fire. When a real diamond is compared to a synthetic diamond, such as cubic zirconia, you will notice a huge difference in the white and colored light glitter that the real diamond emits. Diamonds are usually in their capacity to shatter light rays as they pass through them. As a result, light beams are fragmented and reflected at different angles rather than through the diamond. This produces a reflections which makes a glitter, the diamond's fire. Because of the various angles at which some of the light is reflected, the light reflected from the diamond is white and is referred to as brilliance. With that, we have come to an end. Let me know what you guys think about all these tests and which one would you choose to perform a confirmation test. Also, why would you choose that specific test? Let me know in the comment section below. I am eagerly waiting to read your comments. That brings us to the final goodbye. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to our channel to watch more such amazing videos. Thank you.